How to use the institutional code. First, go on to the institution login page and enter your username and your password, and then click on the submit button. On your dashboard, you will see the institutional code on the top left corner. Copy this and hand this to the student. On the student's dashboard, they will be able to scroll down on their profile and add the institution code in the tab provided for it. Then they can update their profile and they will have successfully registered within the institution whose code was provided to them. Now the institution can check their users and see the users registered with the institution.